Boaz. Can I stop? Her and Boaz got married. And from that, they had a son named Obed. And Obed, come on, and from Obed had a son named Jesse. Come on, can I help you? Somebody say kingly kings. And come on, and Jesse brought forth David. Come on, somebody. She was temporarily inconvenienced. But look what her inconvenience brought her into. Y'all don't hear me? David was a rich man. David was a warrior. David was a king. Am I helping anybody up in here? Her inconvenience brought her into royalty. Inconvenient. Had to wait. Had to do things that were a little bit degrading. Had to get in the field. Not only did she get in the field to glean, but she was put in a corner. She was put in a corner until Boaz recognized her. And once he recognized her, he got her out of the corner. Look at somebody and say, get ready to come out the corner. Because somebody saw you in that corner. Somebody saw you with that Jack in the Box job. Somebody saw you at McDonald's and you didn't look like you belonged at McDonald's. Somebody saw you at Jack in the Box and you didn't look like you belonged at Jack in the Box. Somebody saw you at Whataburger and you didn't look like you belonged at Whataburger. Somebody saw you on the cash register at Macy's and you didn't look like you belonged on that cash register at Macy's. Somebody says temporary. It's a temporary inconvenience. Somebody know that you're living with other people and they say she ain't got to live with other people. Look how good she look. Let me get her out of the place that she is. Let me put her in her own place. Somebody say temporary inconvenience. Read it when you get home. A temporary inconvenience. Look at somebody and say, I promise you this won't last. Can you imagine what was going through Ruth's mind? Following her ex-mother-in-law. Because her husband is dead. She clung to that woman. And because she made a decision, I'm going to stick as close as I can to this elderly woman. I believe if I follow her, I'm going to follow her somewhere. I believe if I stay with the ministry, I'm going somewhere. Come on, somebody. I'm going to stick with the word. Somebody says, stick with the word. Stay virtuous. Let me tell you, you know what really made that man notice that woman? She was working. She was beautiful. But she was picking a crop. She wasn't acting like this is too good for me to do. Like some of us. People come by, God being sent folk by to watch you. God sent folk by to watch you to see if you're worthy yet. Scripture said, walk worthy of your calling. He sends people by to watch us and we're complaining. He said, if you be faithful over a few things, then I'll make you ruler over many. Many can't come your way because you complaining. How many of y'all ready to go to the next level?